Union Minister of State for Social Justice and Empowerment Ramdas Atawale kun Joagli Sitigima A Chumugidima de Naga Mandila Foundation Legurishe Tai Aji press conference ekta Naitu Resort Chumugidima de address Korea Homoe Nagalinde Industrial Development Ahibole Lage Aro Tai Chief Minister Nipirio Gibi Delhi ke invite Kurina Asegushe Business Korea Manukan Lode meeting Lobole IB Dulaga details sawa.
Yesterday, Honorable Chief Minister was and myself, we inaugurated the Naga Mandi. And yesterday, this program was over here in this hall. And yesterday, we met Honorable Chief Minister. And Chief Minister, we discussed near about half an hour. And I have given the proposal that in Nagaland some industrial development should be there. And therefore, I invited him to Mumbai and I will arrange one meeting of some business peoples. And that meeting will be held in the presence of Honorable Chief Minister. And some industry should become here. Therefore, unemployed youth will be get the employment. And for the benefit of Nagaland, to increase the revenue of Nagaland, industry should come here. And in many big industrials are staying in Mumbai, because Mumbai is the economical capital of our country. And therefore, I will try to come some industrialists here. But there should be one meeting with Honorable Chief Minister Rioji. And I am also very proud that only this state, Mr. Rio became the Chief Minister 5th time. And only Nagaland is having 60 MLA seats. And all MLA seats are supporting Honorable Chief Minister Rio. There is not a single member is not opposition member. All members are supporting the government. And this is also a very good ideal in all over India. Because in another state, there is no situation as like as Nagaland. All MLAs are supporting the government, the Honorable Rioji. And my party is also supporting our two MLAs are also supporting to the government. Yesterday we discussed near about half an hour, and he has given me the information that the Nagaland people wants another airport in Kohima. Now in Dimapur there is only one airport, and there should be the good development, there should be the good airport in Dimapur. The many flights should be started from here and there, and I have given the assurance that definitely I will talk with Honorable Prime Minister, Honorable Amit Shah ji, and the Civil Aviation Minister, Mr. Naidu. I will discuss with him, and definitely I will try to sanction the proposal of Kohima Airport. That the Kohima Airport proposal is also pending from some years back, and therefore definitely I will give my time to sanction this important demand of the Honorable Chief Minister. 7 de-addiction centers are already started here in Nagaland, and 4 proposals are pending to the Government of India. I have given the assurance to the officers. Definitely when I will go to Delhi, I will discuss with my ministry, and definitely I will sanction that 4 pending proposals. And another boys de-addiction centers, the 5 de-addiction centers, the Nagaland Social Welfare Department wants, and therefore I will definitely try for that. The disabled communities population is near about 30,000. The disabled community, Divyangjan communities population is 30,000. But in all over India, near about 2 crore 68 lakh, as per 2011 census. The disabilities population is in all over India 2 crore 68 lakh. And in Nagaland, 30,000 disabled communities also here. Here is one blind school in Dimapur, one deaf school in Dimapur, and 4 disabled schools are in Kohima. The ADP camps, 6 ADP camps were held in all over the state, and near about 1,90,000 senior citizens are also all over the state, and 53,000 senior citizens are getting the pension. De-addiction centers for female, Kohima and Dimapur. They provide facility for the treatment and care to females who are dependent on drugs. Special project submitted to the ministry in 2022 under the National Action Plan for Drug Demand Re-addiction. This also definitely I will see. And de-addiction center for boys under 18 years, Dimapur, Kohima, Mon, Moko, Chung, and Kifayar, to provide facility for the treatment and care to boys who are into substance abuse. And this is also definitely I will see. And already our ministry has started the Nasha Mukta Bharat Abhiyan in all over India. And there are many boys, many students, many peoples are taking the Nasha. And therefore we want the Nasha Mukta Bharat Abhiyan. And you know that our Honorable Narendra Modi ji started many schemes. That Pradhan Mantri flagship schemes, the Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana scheme was started 2014, and now 53 crore 20 lakh bank accounts are opened. Our India was economically in all over world on 10 number before 2014, but in these 10 years we come from 10 to 5th number. And definitely we will hope that in this 5 years our economy will go to number 3. That is also our agenda. And on the leadership of Narendra Modi ji, very good development is also there. And opposition is also going to propaganda that this government should be changed the constitution. But the Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Baba Saheb Ambedkar has written the constitution, and therefore nobody can change the constitution. But Congress and India front always propaganda that this government will be change the constitution. But I assure that our government is also supporting the constitution. Our government is also supporting the philosophy of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Therefore, Honorable Narendra Modi ji can't change the constitution. We are also strengthening the constitution. This is also our agenda. Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, Sabka Vishwas, Sabka Prayas. This is also our main motive. And therefore, we are also going to develop all over the country. We want the development of the country, road development, employment development, and many projects. And I will try that one big project should come in Nagaland, and near about 10,000, 15,000 people will get the job. And that also I will talk with the heavy industries minister, and any big project should be come here. That I will try. And this Naga Mandi's work is also going on. Mr. Sagar and Mr. Abhijit Sahu. Abhijit Sahu is the managing director of this Naga Mandi, and near about government has given the 5,000 land to this agriculture, and this Mandi will be work for all the help of the farmers and unemployed youth also. And this program is also very important program.